K tries here to break J, I'll take this short. At that point, I'll be looking for it to break all the way to the half back here. Right in there. So we could put a stop. I'm not going to give it very much room. Say at 68.75 or so. You'll know right away if you're wrong on this one. And then we want it to break this J here. And our final target would be here at the half back. So here's the moment. Can we break this area? I'm going to split these off. We need it to break here. Otherwise the trade's no good. I'm just watching this to see how hard it's coming off that J level. You can see it came right to it. Get our other targets in. Your first 27 ticks is going to be at 60.75 right there. There's your 40 ticks. So like I say, I always add these, but you know, the major target is this halfback. So all of this fits within that trade. So you can decide if you want, if it's moving really fast, you move this out of the way and go for both of them on your 40 ticks. It's not looking so good. Maybe you take both of them here at 27 ticks. But the ultimate target is to get to here. You do have your POC all the way down here. So that would be your next target past half back. Here's the break. Now you're really looking to see what kind of action you get. You need to break I, if it snaps right back on you, or if it, just continues and accelerates maybe. I think you can move to break even at least now. All right, we're into the singles. I really want to pay attention. Is this going to act like support, or is it going to pull it right through here? We're just watching to see here. Are we going to spring out of this, or are we going to continue? It's not, I like that it's not coming back towards us. It's just kind of staying down in this low end, waiting and working. Getting a little buying here, but it's not too aggressive. If they do decide to take it lower, it should go pretty fast because there's not a lot of volume here. Should fill these singles pretty quickly. Here's the brake, pushing a little lower. Thought I'd be moving a little faster than this, but it's pretty low volume right now too. So at this point, you wouldn't want to come back into this node. You might give it up to here. You might want to come back and retest this brake, but you really don't want to come in back up into here. So you could move your stop down 65, 75. There's really no reason to give up any more than that. Looks like they're kind of testing this brake again. We're up here with our stop. And we're moving a little closer. There's the first contract. Here's another look at that delta chart. You can see they sold off pretty good here. And your cumulative delta is falling off. Your volume is pretty low just in general, but here's some good selling. Here's some good selling. Here's some good selling. This all looks pretty good. Again, what we don't want is to get up into this area. So as long as we keep, even if we bounce a little bit and fall and bounce and fall and bounce and fall, that's fine. We just don't want to get anything up in here. We don't want to stay up in here, definitely. Now we're looking at this G period. Can we break this area right here? So a couple things I'm thinking about is that there is this poor high up here, but then I'm also thinking that we're single time framing down. And I'm thinking about that what I really think is going to happen is we're at least going to get to this halfback, if not this POC. So you're just watching to see if this is which one of these things is happening. Is it springing back into action and trying to clean this poor high here, Or does it seem like it's grinding down, making its way down here to this halfback? You can tell it's just doing the same thing. It's bouncing a little bit, grinding further down, bouncing a little bit, grinding further down. We have our order at 55.50. Oh, 56. Getting through these singles was actually pretty slow, but sometimes these are really fast. So I want to have my order, I don't want my order sitting here. If it comes through here real fast, I can always just exit out of the trade. So I'm putting my order down at the 56. So if this comes through really fast, it'll take me out. At least I'm not, taken out here. It'll give me just a little bit of time to decide what I want to do. Here's your break at L period. Now we need this to break this K level and this G, but it might come up a little bit. I'll try and break right here. I think we can move our stop down. I would have really liked it to break right there. But doesn't seem to want to yet. So if we get one last push down into here and it springs back on me, I'll close the trade. You can see on this delta chart here, there was some buying right in this area with your cumulative delta. So I want this to break or I'll close it. You can also see on this delta chart how I come up with that stop right here at 63, right above this area. So we want to see it break right here. So there we got the break. Move my stop down a little bit. See if this is going to continue or we're going to get a hard bounce back out of this. Coming back just a little bit. I think as long as we don't take out this L high, we'll be fine. Trying to figure out where I can put my stop that doesn't give up too much, but also gives it just a little bit of room. Really seems like it wants to drop here. Just really feel like this wants to complete that rotation down to the half back. It's not getting any spring back at all. So I'm just going to let this play out. We either get taken out here or it makes it to our target. Look, it's pushing lower, trying to. Looks like it wants to break here. Maybe. There we go. There's a break. Got past our 40 ticks. See if we can get to our target. We're almost there. There we go. Target hit. Good trade. You can see how fast it took those singles out. Got back to that halfback.